Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Discover the promise of island living at Russell Place, Williamsfield, a highly sought after residential enclave just 10 minutes from Mandeville in the cool, scenic parish of Manchester. Nestled on 0.79 acre of lush land, this unfinished, multi-story residence offers an impressive 5,668 square feet of living space, perfectly suited for a growing family. Designed with spacious bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, a large kitchen, generous living areas, and in-unit laundry. The layout invites comfort, flexibility, and indoor-outdoor living. The property is located in a well-established, peaceful neighborhood, popular with returnees and professionals, where charming bungalows now share space with distinctive architectural modern homes. Built with reinforced concrete walls, decramastic roofing, hardwood doors, and solid concrete floors, the home offers both durability and creative potential, with schools, churches, shops, and a playfield nearby. This is a rare opportunity to create your dream home in a vibrant and growing community. Call your preferred realtor today, as this property won't be on the market for long. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
The asking price for this house is £180,000, US 231.5 thousand, Jamaican 36.5 million, Canadian 331.5 thousand, Euro 212.7 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.